what will be our actions, our suggestions, our recommendations in all these areas. I think he mentioned already 2 areas. The books, we need to have a library here, a section here on all this to be ready, to be used by other people. We can help other academic institutions. And number 2, he talked about research in this area. So I think I open for all of you, if you have any comments, recommendations, views on the way forward, action, what we're supposed to do as Istac-Iium or Istac and other educational institutions, so that we move more towards action and hopefully we can create that awareness. Please, it's open, go ahead. You can communicate and converse with Dr. Anas.
We need your suggestions and how to start, how you can start. I don't know. I don't know what's happening here, the system, etc. Professor Manous has been very cooperative in this. We've been talking about it for 2 years now, I think. And so, as I said, there's nothing being imposed in the form of the curriculum, but you do what you think you can be done.
Go ahead, yeah.
Assalamualaikum. I was actually coming into this meeting. I was already planning a sort of book with a colleague. So the book is actually about speculative fiction and how Islam and Muslims are represented in contemporary speculative fiction. So we are actually planning for that book. It's just that now that I have more information.
Do you have what?
A book proposal. We're planning on a book.
A book proposal?
A book proposal for you to do.
Yeah, I'm planning to write a book on speculative fiction.
Or you're planning to write a book on?
Speculative fiction, which is about science fiction and so forth.
Speculative fiction. Yeah, I don't know. Look at the way I've written this and see how it is. I mean, I don't know, but it is, I mean, fiction, you have to have many titles, right, on this one. That will be great. And in English, contemporary fiction title?
Yes.
Can you send me some of them? We can.
Yes, I
Send me some of them. I'm looking now at, this is for a reason, AI fiction. Because a lot has been written a long time ago and more recently now is, have you read, what's his name? Biden is coming on the way. Dan Brown. Have you read his latest fiction? Genesis. Origin. This is very interesting. It talks about the conclusion of the book that, okay, man or life or humanity has been created by sort of chemical interaction, whatever it is, and humans have reached their limits. There's nothing they can go beyond, but the only one is the marriage between AI and the humans. And there are so many. So